Mike with Muddy Boots Off-Road. Here we are today back in the barn. We're working on the link bars for the 4-link suspension on the back of the little brown truck. Been doing a ton of stuff. I'm kind of falling behind around here, but that's beside the point. So I got my bars in, I got my Heims joints in, I got everything to get this put back in for the initial mock-up. However, when I did my order for my links, or for my Heims joints, I got my link bars in, and grab it here. You can see that there is way too much slop in there. I don't like that. So I did a little looking around here in the, get that balanced up there. So I did a little looking around here, and I got this old piece from a previous project, and that fits right in there, and this fits right in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our plasma cutter, we're going to split this down the middle so that it tightens up ever so slightly. Cut these into about 3-inch lengths. Bang, bang, bang for all our end links. We're going to use this as a sleeve inside of the DOM. This, our link bars, we're going to plug weld it and stitch it up around the edge. So the theory is that we can now we'll clean that up a little bit with a grinder wheel. We'll cut those into lengths, and that will compress as we compress it in there, taking up that little bit of a gap. So now I'm going to put it on the bandsaw, cut those into about 2.5 to 3 inch sections. I need 8 of them, so that's what we're cutting. Okay, so now we have 8 crush sleeves. I know you're counting 7, but the one I practiced on over here is already done. We take this, I'm going to start that right there, like such. Grab our mallet. Just like such. So now that I have the insert in there, little crush, what we'll do is we will drill a hole coming in from the side, here and here, and then we will drill a hole clear through, stick our bung insert in there, and we'll weld it. Now I'm taking a file, and I'm going to run a file up inside here, clean that edge off. Okay, so now we got our 4 bars cut at the opposite end, so those ends are the bung ends down there. We're getting the 4-link built here, so 2 are at 41 and 2 at 38.5, and those are going to be our uppers and lowers link for the rear suspension. Okay, so now we have both ends just welded up a little bit. We just put a couple tacks on each one of it. Let's stick the Heims joints in it, and we can start getting it set up in there. But alright, so now we got the right ends and the left ends. Alright, looking good. This one's hot. So here's our link bars. Alright, so we finished up our link ends. We finished up our links. These are the rear links for that 4-link suspension in the rear. So tomorrow we'll probably start putting that rear end back in. We'll get it set back in there tomorrow, hopefully, and there we go. I know it doesn't show up, but that is a lot of work building these. So, but yep, a lot of work. Plug welds. We got to plug weld it still and everything, but we just got tacks on them for right now to hold them. I want to put it back in and do a pre-fit before I commit to sealing them bad boys up. But there we go. All right. Remember to like and subscribe, thumbs up, comment, all that stuff. So thanks for watching. Whoop. You're gonna have to watch the next video. Now I'm walking around in the dark because I'm shutting the barn down. But if you want to see more, you got to watch the next video.